my porn videos back. God damn it! Give me the camera back. Take the cookie. Okay, stop. Look. Fucking go.
Look, they love you. They want to make a passionate love to you. Cannonball! Cannonball! I'm dying! Wow, that really hurt. Look, the dog wants to give you a kiss.
Katie, give him a kiss. Knock it off. Give him a kiss.
Look, he loves you. Aww.
Get him to look at him.
Look, he peed himself. Rude ass. There we go. Oh my god.
Knock it off.
Where's our frog at? Huh? Ollie! Ollie! You just broke my damn belt. Ollie!
Knock it off.
Where's our frog at?
I don't know, and I don't care. Stop. God damn it.
Get up!
No. Motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Oh, look, you peed yourself. Dude, look at that shit. See, right there. You
Knock
peed
it off.
yourself.
Debbie?
I promise you.
She say yes or no?
Steve, go the fuck away from
Did she
me.
say yes or no?
I wasn't paying attention. Go the fuck away from me! Ew.
Oh, I didn't mean to get you dirty.
Steve.
No, do it to Debbie. We need
No,
to get her on
Steve,
video.
I'm telling you.
You want to watch Mommy?
I'm gonna fucking kill you. Ricky, go the fuck home. Bitch. Stop.
If y'all would act like that, you know for a fact I'll pick
away.
snakes up. I'll pick snakes up and brought them to you. And remember your birthday present?
Yeah, give you.
Hey, Mom.
Big old.
Hey, Mom.
Big old.
God almighty!
Motherfucker, Kate, go the fuck away.
Ah!
Son of a bitch, Steve. Go home.
Debbie's trying to go.
Look, she's looking there. Whoa! Bothering you.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Look. No!
Son of a bitch.
Look, it peed on you. You're cold. Oh! You're cold.
God damn you.
You're cold. You're cold.
Put it down and shut.
No.
It peed on you.
Debbie.
Debbie's already outside.
Please don't help
Get
you.
the fuck out of here, Steve.
Give me that bottle. Give me that bottle.
Steve. Get the fuck out of here.
Give me that bottle. Let me see.
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey,
Turn it off.
switch me.
Okay, ready?
Steve, switch me.
Stop. Stop.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
God damn you. Take it the fuck out of here. Go the fuck home.
She's getting
Lady,
mean
stop.
now. Bah!
Stop with the
I've
fucking
never heard
camera.
you yell like that.
The fuck out of here.
Debbie.
Steve, go.
Just so.
No!
What, about chest level? Here, move your hand.
Son of a bitch.
Let me see if I can get a basket. Ready? 1,
Steve.
2, 3.
God damn it. Go
Let's
away.
do it, Steve.
Let me see if you'll fit in the bottle.
No, look at my, oh, he's all blown up and...
Yeah, he's
Oh my God.
Let me see,
Yeah.
let me see.
He's pissed off at you.
No!
He's pissed
God
off
damn
at
it.
you.
Get the fuck
I'm not
out.
going to throw it on you.
Get out.
I won't throw it on you. Here,
Let's go find Debbie.
We'll shake on it. I won't throw it.
No, you too.
Frogs.
Don't.
Do it.
Ricky. No. Ricky! Don't do it! I will kick your fucking ass! No!
Put the frog back up.
Here's the fucking frog!
I threw it in there! Look at the sink! Do you see it?
Debbie's not in there.
Yes, it is. I swear to God, I threw it.
No, you didn't.
She.
Look at the sink, Debbie!
Alright, Deb.
Look behind, on top, in the back, where those hair product thingies on.
Let me in.
Eat it. Is it good?
That's not funny.
Was that hot? Look. Now.
No.
He just scolded me, dang it.
No.
I got hand.
I got your hand. Aha, I got your face. You little ween.
I got name on the hands.
You shot Mima on the hand.
Yes. Not Sissy.
No, not on Sissy. Sissy.
Get Memo again.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Take it in the back room.
Okay.
In the tub.
Top.
Where'd it go?
I have it.
Cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
You want it? Do you want it back? Listen to GD. Bring it to the back. Matthew, bring it. Hey, bring it to the bathroom. TT's taking it, okay? Do you hear me? Then you ain't getting it. Oh, you gotta bring it to the bath? It's climbing me. It's climbing me. Do you want it?
Katie.
You won't listen. Bring it to the bath or I'm taking it back. I will take it back. That's right, fucking just give your ass back, baby. What's the matter, man? Okay. Bye. Bye.
Now. He said.
Ow! You mom's there. Throw it, man.
Whack peanut on the nugget.
Stop! Stop! Megan Marie K. Electrovis, if that's your full name.
Better watch the Ninja Focus. Move your big head. Ready? You hit the TT.
Ah, you missed. Ah, you motherfucker.
Hey!
That's why I said little ball.